Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save strategies with Buffer detailed guide step by step clearly. To save your strategies with Buffer, begin by logging into your Buffer account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the social media profile for which you want to save your strategy. Click on the content section found in the menu. Next, choose the publishing option. Here, you will see a list of your scheduled posts. To create a new strategy, click on the Create Post button. Draft your post by entering the text and adding any necessary media. Adjust the scheduling options as needed for your specific strategy. Once satisfied with the post, locate the Save button. Click on Save to store your draft in Buffer. To organize your strategies, consider creating different posting schedules. Go to the Posting Schedule tab to customize your strategy. Set times for when you want your posts to be published. Be sure to review your scheduling preferences to match your audience engagement. After establishing your posting schedule, return to the content section. Now, you can quickly access saved drafts and scheduled posts. For easy reference, label your strategies clearly. Utilize the analytics features to track the performance of your saved strategies. Adjust your approach based on this data to improve future strategies. Regularly return to Buffer to update and save new strategies as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.